Good morning and good day to all audience and viewers from Masa University Facebook page and YouTube channel. Welcome to the webinar conducted by Faculty of Engineering, Work Environment and Information Technology of Masa University. My name is Siti Shahira, a lecturer from Masa University, and I will be serving as your moderator today. Today, we will be hearing a presentation from Ms. Hayana Dullah. Ms. Hayanadullah, a lecturer at Masa University and co-student Central for the Faculty of Engineering, Built Environment and IT, completed her first degree in civil engineering before pursuing a master degree at University Tun Hussein on Malaysia. With over 6 years of experience in academic and research, she has contributed to Publication Index by ISI. Her current research involves around life cycle assessment, artificial intelligence (AI), aligning with the demands of IR 4.0. Without further ado, I would like to welcome Ms. Hayana, who will be speaking to us with topic Introduction for IR 4.0. All right, Ms. Hayana, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Dr. Shaira. Okay, so first and foremost, I would like to express my gratitude to Masa University for the opportunity to share knowledge during this webinar. I am Hayana Dullah, lecturer at the Faculty of Engineering, Built Environment and IT at Masa University. So today I will discuss focusing on introduction of IR 4.0. So before we look deeply into IR 4.0, I would like to discuss the introduction of innovation. So innovation is refers to the process of creating new ideas, methods, products, or service that brings value to or address in a need in a unique way. So it involves transforming existing concepts or developing an entirely novel approaches to solve problems, improve efficiency, or introduce developing entirely or introduce groundbreaking changes. So innovation can stem from technological advancement, creative thinking, collaboration, and willingness to explore the implement unconventional ideas is a driving force behind progress. So fueling growth in various industry and sectors by fostering continuous improvement and adaptation to changing circumstances. Okay, so in IR 4.0, or fourth industrial revolution, signifies the transformative era by advanced digital technology. So it merged the physical, digital, and biological realms, revolution industry worldwide. So the key component include AI, artificial intelligence, automation, IoT, big data, and robotics. So IR 4.0 emphasize data-driven decision making, task automation, human-machine collaboration, and global connectivity. So its impact across sector and economic, job landscape, social structure, and offering vast innovation opportunity while raising concern about ethics, privacy, and the future of work. In the slide, the the first industrial revolution in 1784. This period was characterized by mechanism, starting with the introduction of steam power and the mechanization of textile manufacturing. The use of machine in factories replaced by a manual labor, initiating the shift from economic to industrial ones. The second revolution at year 1870, here we saw advancement in steel production, the expansion of railroad like the pavement, and the emergence of telegraph, electricity, mass production of technique like facility by the assembly line become prominent during this era. It's leading to increased productivity and rise the industrial giants. So the third industrial revolution, which is in year 1969, also known as the digital revolution. This phase introduced computers, electronics, and automation in industry. It marked the advent of information technology with the development of personal computers, internet, and digital communication. So this period laid groundwork for globalization and increased connected. So after the third industry, we move to fourth industry revolution nowadays or ongoing. IR 4.0 is characterized by the integration of digital technology, artificial intelligence, automation, and the Internet of Things (IoT). It built upon the foundation laid by the previous revolution, but distinguished itself through the rapid pace of the technology and widespread impact. This era sees the fusion of physical, digital, and biological system, resulting in innovation and automo- uh, autom- automotive vehicle, robotic, AI-driven decision making, 3D printing, and highly interconnected world. So each revolution has built upon the innovation of its predecessor, propelling society forward and fundamentally altering the way we live, work, and interact. In 4.0, IR 4.0, I mean, the particular is disrupting industries, economics, and sociality structure and speed and scale, reshaping the landscape of technology and human existence. Okay, so we move to next slide. The benefit of IR of 4.0. The first one is improve the productivity and quality control. So the automation and AI driven process streamline the preparation, reducing manual errors and increase the production efficiency. And then the real time monitoring also and control system to ensure the consistent of quality standard by minimizing the defect and waste in the manufacturing process. So this is the few benefits of uh, IR 4.0. And then the second one is to improve the analytics and decision makings. Uh, in this benefit, the advancement analytics and AI algorithm analyze a vast amount of data and then to provide actionable insight. For example, the forecast, but we do the forecast, but we need a lot of data um, to analyze get the forecasting results. And then the data driven decision making helps in forecasting trends, understanding consumer behavior, and optimizing strategies for better outcomes. Okay, the third is optimizing product and facilities. Okay, so IoT device and sensors enable real-time monitoring of equipment performance, allowing predictive maintenance and minimizing downtime. So this is the function of IoT devices itself. Okay, so the smart facility like this IoT leverage the technology to optimize energy usage, space utilization, and overall operation efficiency. So the fourth is empowering the workforce. Okay, so IR 4.0 offers tools and platforms for upskilling and reskilling the workforce to changing technology. Okay, so the collaborative tools and AI driven assistant in human capabilities, enhancing the productivity and innovation. Okay, so the fifth is collaborative working and knowledge sharing. The technology facilities seamless collaboration among teams regardless the geographical location, the fostering knowledge sharing and collective problem solving. And then the platform also enable to share the expertise and information across departments, improving the overall organization learning. Okay, so the next is optimizing supply chain management. The IoT, AI, and big data analytics is actually improve the visibility and traceable across the supply chain, enhancing the inventory management and reducing in efficiency. So the predictive analytic in demand forecasting, optimizing logistic and minimizing delays or disruption. So this is the main concern of our nowadays uh, evolution, which is we need to minimize the delay and we need to have the demand of the forecasting. Okay, so the last one is the agility and flexibility. This technology, this IR technology, IR 4.0 technology, enable the quick adaptation to changing market condition and customer demands. Okay, so the agile production method enabled by the automation and interconnected system allow business to respond rapidly to market and customize the product more efficiently. Okay, so this benefit actually is collectively contribute to increased competitiveness, innovation, and efficiency across industry and advancement in the era of the fourth industrial revolution. Okay, so the next discussion is on 11 pillars of technological advancement. Okay, so there is 11 pillars in the IR 4.0. So the first one is AI itself, which is artificial intelligence. AI is encompass machine learning, natural language processing, and robotics, enable the system to learn and adapt and perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. So it is replace the human intelligence, not like whole replace, but it is learn from human intelligence. It learns and then it can be applied. Okay, so the next is Internet of Things. IoT refers to the network of interconnected device and objects that communicate and share data, enabling the automation of process and facilitating the remote control and monitoring. So in the next is the big data analytics. Okay, big data analytics is the pillar involved in the collection, storage, and analysis of vast amount of data to derive insight, patterns, and trends that aid in decision making and problem solving. Okay, actually, the 11 pillars in nowadays technology is quite similar but has different of using users, like different of application. So then the next one is cloud computing. Cloud technology provides on-demand access to shared pool or computing resources like server, storage, and application over the internet, enabling the flexibility and cost efficiency. Okay, so the next one is blockchain technology. So the blockchain technology is a decentralized and secure digital ledger that records a transaction across multiple computers, offering transparency, security, and integrity in data management. Okay, so the next one is biotechnology. Biotechnology involves using in a biological system like organism or cells to develop products, process, and technologies that improve healthcare, agriculture, and various industry. Okay, the next thing is advanced material. Okay, advancement in material science lead to development of novel material with enhanced properties such as strength, conductivity, or flexibility, crucial in various applications from electronics and to construction. Like it's various development in this area. So the next one is renewable energy technology. So this technology focus on harnessing the renewable sources like solar, wind, hydroelectric. I mean, and then the geothermal energy. It is aiming to reduce the reliance on fossil fuels and mitigate the environmental impact. Okay, we move to nanotechnology. Nanotech deals with manipulating matter at the nanoscale to create new materials and devices with unique properties, impacting fields like medicine, electronic, and material science. Okay, so the next one is augmented and virtual reality. I know that we are heard about this. Like this is a kind of famous AR and VR technology that overlay digital information into real world to create immersive simulated environment used in gaming, education, healthcare, and more. So this type of pillar technology in IR 4.0 is very important to create a like a real environment to get the knowledge. For example, we use AR and VR into education that we can simulate the real world to the students so they can get the info in a direct information like that. Okay, so the next is quantum computing. Quantum computers use quantum bits, okay, to perform complex calculation exponentially faster than classical computers, potentially revolutionizing the fields like crypto, drug discovery, and optimizing problems. Okay, so these pillars, all of these pillars represent key areas of technological growth and innovation, each contributing to the transformation of industry, society, and economics in distinct way. Okay, so we move to next slide. This is the SDG, the Sustainable Development Goals. There is a 17 SDG set by the United Nations of General Assembly in 2015. These goals are part of 2030 agenda for sustainable development, aiming to address the various social, economy, and environmental challenges worldwide. So each goal has a specific target to be achieved by 2030, encompassing a broad range of interconnected issues to create a more sustainable and equitable world. Okay, so there is here is the 17 SDG that we have. No poverty goal of no poverty, which is this is a goal one, and poverty in all its forms and dimension by ensuring equal right, access to basic resource, and sustainable livelihood for all. So the second is a zero hunger, which achieve to food security, improve nutrition, and promote sustainable agriculture. The third one is a good health and well-being, ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all ages, focusing on healthcare. Okay, so the fourth is quality education to ensure inclusive, the equitable quality education for all. Okay, and then the fifth is gender equality. So achieve gender equality and empower all women and girls, ending discrimination, violence, and ensuring equal opportunities. The sixth is clean water and sanitation to ensure the access of clean water, and then we have affordable and clean energy to ensure the access on and affordable, sustainable, and modern energy, and then decent work and economic growth, promote inclusive and sustainable economic growth. the goal 9 is industry, innovation, and infrastructure. So this one is our main target in this IR 4.0 in our um, uh, uh, engineering matter. And then build resilient um, infrastructure, promote inclusive and sustainable industrialization. So the 10th is reduce inequality goal in inequality. So the reduce inequality within and among countries. Okay, so the next one, sustainable cities and communities, to make the city and human settlement inclusive, safe, and sustainable. So the next is responsible consumption and production, to ensure sustainability as consumption and production patterns. And then climate action, take urgent action to combat climate action and its impact. And then the mitigation also, which is raising the awareness of climate action, climate change. The next is life below water, to conserve and sustainable use the ocean, seas, and marine resource. Okay, the next one, life on land, protect, restore, and promote sustainable use of terrestrial ecosystem. Okay, and combat biodiversity loss. The next one, peace, justice, and strong institution, to promote peaceful and inclusive society. Okay, the last one is partnership for the goals, to strengthen the global partnership for sustainable development, mobilizing resources and sharing knowledge. So these 17 goals is serve as a universal call to action to end poverty, protect the planet, and ensure that all people enjoy peace and prosperity by addressing interconnected global challenge. Okay, so I end my sharing for today. So thank you for uh, the thank you for the time.
Okay, thank you, Miss Hayana, for your sharing. Now we have come to the question and answer sessions. So I have received few questions from the floor. So the question is, how many types of AI in general?
Okay, so basically in AI, artificial intelligence, there is a lot of types. We use a lot of methods, but the main general types in AI, which is we have machine learning such as neural network, or and we have deep learning such as LSTM. And then we have a hybrid that we combine or ensemble these types of AI, types of machine learning or deep learning. We combine in to get the data, to get the analysis from the big data. It will produce more accurate results. So I think that's my answer.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Helena, for your answers. Okay, once again, thank you for the clear explanation. We have come to the end part of the presentation. Thank you once again, Ms. Hayana, for addressing this interesting topic and for this sharing session. Hopefully, the presentation was beneficial for everyone. On behalf of Masa University, we would like to thank you for joining us today. Thank you for your time and cooperation. Okay, see you in the next webinar. Goodbye, everyone.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.